Hi guys, today we're going to look at an example where we use the laws of exponents to simplify an expression that has negative exponents included in this. So we're going to look at the expression 3a to the fourth times b to the negative third all over the quantity 6a to the negative second power times b to the fifth. So remember that a negative exponent can be written as a reciprocal with a positive exponent. So for example, if I have x to the power of negative 3, I can rewrite that as a reciprocal 1 over x to the positive third. Likewise, if I have 1 over x to the negative second power, I can rewrite that as its reciprocal x to the positive second power. So the first thing we want to do is take care of our negative exponent values by rewriting them as the positive reciprocals. So we have this b to the negative third power and this a to the negative second power. To write this as a reciprocal, the b to the negative third will be moved to the denominator to become b to the positive third power, and our a to the negative second power will be moved into the numerator to become a to the positive second power. So we can rewrite this as 3 times a to the fourth power times a to the positive second power divided by 6 times b to the fifth power times b to the third power. In order to simplify this, we will want to fully expand all of our terms and see if there are any giant ones that we can cancel out. So for our numerator, we have 3 times a times a times a times a times a times a all over. 6 can be broken up into 2 times 3 times 5 b's times 3b's. Now we want to look for any giant ones to cancel out, and we only have one giant one, which are the 2 3's that can cancel out. Now we want to combine like bases to finally simplify our expression. Since we have 6a's multiplied together, that is going to give us a to the sixth power in the numerator, and in the denominator we will have 2 times b to the eighth power, since we have 8 b's being multiplied together. Remember that we can always expand and simplify to get the correct answer. However, we can also use shortcuts to get from our original problem to our final answer by using the product property.